starts, it's that time of the year again, and here's tutorial for All I Want for Christmas by Mariah Carey. I like to use this one as a warm-up, so let's get started. Now, some dramatic music, because it is Mariah, we're going to start with a little plie. Inhale, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulder roll, elbow roll, full arm stretch, and then we're going to reach up to the right corner. We're going to pull it into ourselves, reach up to the left, pull it into ourselves. We're going to take the left foot across. We're going to turn and come up, and then we're going to walk up to the mirror, right, left, back, 2, 3, 4. We're going to prepare the right arm across to the opposite shoulder, and then when it says you, and she sings at the beginning, we're going to point to you, to all of you. All right, let's see that beginning, facing the front. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. Walking, all I want for Christmas, prepare, is you. And then we have shake, shake, shake as we take the bells around to start. Verse 1, grapevine. We go 1, 2, 3, triple pull, pull, pull. Take off to the left. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, grapevine with that triple step with different arms. We're going to take the left arm behind the back, and we're going to work the right arm across. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, down, down, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see those first set of grapevines with the arms here, sleigh ride, and the arm across, facing the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Prepare the arms to go. 1, 2, 3, up. Slow down for 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. Next we take it out to the mirror. We have 1, hop, 2, hop, 3, hop, 4, hop. Walk back. Right, left, rock around, front, back, and. Now the arms are a little flip hands. We've seen this before, but I like to think a little reindeer paws. So we start with the right foot. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4, around, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat. And the walk back, you can just use your arms here. You can take them out. You can point to you. That's your choice. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front. You just came back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right foot leads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot step again. 1, 2. Back. And around we go. And. Now we're going to take it over to the right. We're going to roll, 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 tap. Roll, 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 tap. 4 times each side. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're just rolling down the river, grapevine, with a clap. Tap, tap, tap. Great. At the end of those rolls, we have her singing you again. Go ahead and pop that hip, point out, and then take those bells around again to start again. Work from the top with that grapevine triple step. Both ways, adding the arms on the grapevine, taking it up, back and around 2 times, and then rolling again for 8 total, 4 each way. Now the breakdown of the song. We're going to tap over to the right, and we're going to take that left arm and reach across low. Then we switch, low other side. Then we go middle, middle. We go up. Leave that left arm there, up the other one, and then we shimmy them down, 6, 7, 8. 1, low, 2, low, middle, middle, hold, hold, down, 4, 4. That's that face in the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 more times low. Low, cross, cross, stretch, hold, hold. You're really getting a back stretch here. This is our warm-up song. And up, last one, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here, we're going to go right back into the verse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to finish here with a roll, roll, roll. 4 more. We go 4, 3, 2, 1. And Mariah's going to hit that high note. We're going to get those arms around, get it ready for the finale, and we're going to end it with our reindeer paws going up. You, back, around. 2 more times. We go 4, 3, 2, 1. Back, around. Last one. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back and around. And we're going to end walking up nice and slow, like a diva of Christmas, and back 7, 8. That is all the choreography for the warm-up. All I want for Christmas is you, which is so true, for Mariah Carey. Let's dance it.